Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on self-esteem, and the question is, do positive affirmations work? I have a challenging job. I feel stressed and insecure sometimes. I try to give myself a pep talk, but all I feel is like a weirdo. I don't know. I'm great at motivating others and telling them how great they are, but I struggle to motivate and feel good about myself. I've heard of positive affirmations. Do positive affirmations really work? Yes, positive affirmations really do work and help us maintain a positive self-esteem. Positive affirmations are a great psychological strategy for reforming our self-concept and bolstering our self-confidence. Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool to reduce stress, to increase feelings of personal power, and to support change and transition. Here are some guidelines that will help you get started and can guarantee positive results. Take some time and consider your intentions. Think about your long-term objectives. What would you like to see in your life? More joy, more peace, more confidence? Draft the statements that reflect the reality that you want to create. Phrase the statements as if they are already true and make them realistic so that the subconscious mind will believe them. Consider these. I feel peace. I'm doing my best. I feel confident. I stay calm under pressure. I'm a reasonable person. I can handle whatever comes my way. I can see challenges as opportunities. Repeat these phrases throughout the day, add more to the list as you go along, and you will enjoy the benefits of positive affirmations. Never forget to pay yourself a compliment privately when nobody else does publicly. I understand. I'm good enough. I'm capable. I'm smart enough. I'm action-oriented. I'm hungry. Just kidding. I'm funny. Can a person say that about themselves? Actually, I am a little hungry. Want to grab something to eat after this? Thank you for watching this video blog on self-esteem. And the question was, do positive affirmations work? Yes, they do. Change the conversation you have with yourself. Give yourself the credit you deserve. Include some positive affirmations in your self-talk. Change the input and you'll change your outcomes. If you or your coworkers feel down, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will deliver a presentation that will restore your self-concept.